All right, at our table, we can now make sure that we're charged 100%. You can go and open your Procreate. If you don't have Procreate yet, go to the Apple App Store and search up Procreate and then download it for yourself. You'll have to pay for this one, but it's not a subscription. It is a once-off payment. Now, once you're open on that, we need an A5 letter page. So if you don't have one set up like I've got here, the easiest way to do it is to open a new canvas, and on that little envelope, hit plus and type in the A5 size pixels, which is 1748 by 2480 pixels. All right, click your right tick and a page will open up for you that is exactly the correct size. From here, you can bring in your pictures. So we'll pick that little spanner and then go to add and insert a photo. Now I've already downloaded mine from my emails, and all I'm going to do is flip it over so that I have them as full as I can on this screen, because we're going to cut out each individual one and place it on its own layer. We can insert our color palette as well. That way we can adjust our background or add more colors to our elements, whichever way works for you. And you'll see that they've brought those into 2 layers. I'm just going to name this layer original and lock it. First duplicate, then lock, and then hide, because I don't want to work destructively on the original document. I'll rather work on that original one and cut out our images from there. But we don't want to see what the original one looked like. It needs to be down below. So next we can open a new layer, and I also want to hide the color swatches for now and just drag it below so that we can reference it later.